Hi creators! Let me show you how to use our Zavy GPT powered data tool to help you sell like crazy. Please make sure you come to our website first and click data tool. Go to dashboard and here you are. Then let's come to our showroom platform. After we find a product we are interested in, remember the keywords, we'll just copy it. For example, this one is lash extension. And then back to our data tool. Click find hot products and paste it here. Now you can see a lot of similar products, but remember to sort by GMV. And you can see this product made a really good sales in just 7 days. So let's check this out. As a creator, we only need to focus on the video, so let's press video list. And also remember to sort by GMV, that's really important. This creator has made 59k sales already. Let's take a look at her shoppable videos. Click here. You will see that even some single video can have really good GMV. Then you go through their videos to observe how they sell. What are the catchy points that can convince people to buy? From there, you can learn from it to create your own shoppable video for the very same product category. Our data tool is a very comprehensive database. So hurry up and play with this powerful data tool and start to sell like crazy.